today we're doing a nighttime skincare routine. My robe is extra wrinkly, but we're gonna ignore that and act like it's supposed to be like that, you know, but shh, don't tell anybody. So today I'm doing a nighttime skincare routine like I just said. I'm super excited because Estee Lauder is partnering with me for this video, and y'all, I already use these products all the time, so there's nothing better than that. So, hold on. Taking off these lashes, I'm gonna act like I didn't already pull these off and I just stuck them right back on my eye real quick just to take them off for this video. Shh. Oops, I look like I was in the mirror. Shh. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes down and away. These are my Curly Queen lashes. Love them. Love them. My favorite. I try to save them and use them as much as I can, even though I got a drawer full of them. But anyway, okay, so to start off, take off my lashes. Next, actually, I got it in my pocket. Next thing I have to do, take out my contacts. I don't know what it is, but people be wetting their faces with their contacts in, and I just cannot, like, I just can't at all. I can't even go swimming with contacts in my eye, or I feel like it's gonna go in the back of my eye. I just have a fear of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out my contacts really quick. So if you get squeamish of somebody touching their eye, you might wanna look away. So first step of my nighttime routine, take out these contacts. Now I'm blind. So pretty much I'm doing the rest of this video blind. To start off, I have eyeshadow, I have lipstick, I got foundation on. So the first step that I like to do, makeup wipes. I like to use the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Palettes. I'm always stocked up with these. This is the first step. I usually take off my lipstick first and just use one for lipstick, but I don't want to be wasting like that, so I'm going to do my eyes and then my lips. So I'm just going to start off by gently wiping around the eye. You don't want to pull and tug too much because that causes wrinkles. Ain't nobody want wrinkles. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off as much as the eyeshadow and eyeliner and mascara, all of that, as possible. And don't forget the eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna fold this and go around my face. I don't really try to get all my foundation off. I just try to get most of it off because this is just the first step. And then, last but not least, get the lips off. So that was step number one. Step number two. Whoa. Anyway, step number two, I'm actually going to use Purity One Step Facial Cleanser. This is my go-to face wash. Absolutely love it. I can even just wash my face without using a makeup wipe, and it literally will melt all of my makeup off, almost every single bit of it. But when I'm trying to be real squeaky clean, I do makeup remover wipe first and then my cleanser next. I just bought a new bottle. My other one was struggling getting out, so I was like, let me buy a new one for this video. You don't want to waste none of it. And then along with the facial cleanser, I like to use my Clarasonic cleansing brush to get all up in the pores and the grooves and the crevices of my skin. We're making sure it's super clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face first. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my facial cleanser around my face. I might put a little bit more on here too because I feel like I didn't put enough. So there we go. Now start cleansing. You want to make sure to get in that hairline. I know the edge is going to be messed up, but it's okay. You got to clean them. All right, and I think we're done. Poor little edges, but you know, it's nighttime. Edges don't gotta be on fleek anymore. Now you just rinse the brush off. And now I'm gonna rinse my face. I like to massage it a little bit more to get into my eyes since I have to run the brush across my eyes, obviously. I feel like I'm doing a commercial. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, I just like to pat it to dry. Next, step number 3, I'm going to use this Clinique clarifying lotion to tone my face. I have the one that's number 1 because this one's for dry to very dry to dry skin, and that is me. So I just go ahead and get cotton rounds, and then I'm going to go ahead and go over my face with this. And then we're just going to make sure we get everything off of our face. I don't like to go down on my skin, I just like to go up. You know, we're trying to stay fresh and young forever. So fresh, so clean. And it gets off the little bit of extra whatever you left on. I had barely anything, but it gets it off, so that's good. Okay, next step after the toner, I like to do a mask. My favorite mask to use is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. So you want to clear all your pores. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a little bit, you know, and put it on. I don't do the mask every night, but I do it probably once or twice a week, depending on how my skin is. And it's best to do toners before mask because the mask will do like its full job after you tone your face. It just helps sink in skincare and stuff like that. So, okay, now we are masked up. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on if I get impatient or not, you know. And then we'll be back to rinse off. Bust down on the game. Hey. La, la, la. La, la, la. La, la, la. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Woo. I'm tired. All right, this mask is ready to come off. Mask off. Mask off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off with some warm water. Okay, now that the mask is off, it's time for my last few steps. And one of my favorite products to use, this is my little baby. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This serum right here actually helps to support skin's nighttime natural renewal process and help repair visible signs of aging. Invisible signs of aging is actually caused by lack of sleep, blue light, pollution, UV, and ozone. And that's why this is really good to add to your nighttime routine. So while you're sleeping, it helps repair signs of aging, and it also helps with wrinkles. So that is why this serum is a must to add to my nighttime routine. So if y'all want to add this to your nighttime routine, you're gonna be in love, pretty much. So the serum I like to put on second before last. This should go on before a moisturizer. So I go ahead and get some drips. I just drip it into my hand instead of on my face. And then I just go ahead and rub it in my skin. And I'm telling y'all, like, I've been using this for a while now, and I even put this on in the morning just because I like the way it feels, but you're supposed to put it on at night. I just can't get enough of it. This just makes my skin feel so refreshed, and since I have dry skin, it actually helps with that. makes my skin look more healthy and moisturized and not dry and crusty, you know? And then I have 2 moisturizers that I like to use. I normally use the Estee Lauder Day Wear during the day, but since it's night, I'm not going to use that. But I just wanted to show you guys that this is what I do use during the day, and it has SPF 15, so I absolutely love that. But instead, today I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus. This is for all skin types. It can be used in the morning or at night. I like to use this one at night. And this is great to pair after your Advanced Night Repair Serum. So serum always before the moisturizer, and then bam, a great moisturizer. And my skin feels so good and soft and smooth and clean. So this is the end of my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want, all of the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Estee Lauder for sure. Those are like my holy grail products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next Jazzy Fizzle product shizzle. Missy! The princess is here! I missed my intro. Man, I'm gonna start just saying my intro. Welcome back to my Jazzy Fizzle product shizzle. Missy. I'm just kidding. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.